Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to create a form in Formstack for 2025. Formstack is an awesome online tool that lets you build custom forms quickly, whether you're collecting feedback, registrations, or surveys. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners, so let's jump right in and get you creating forms in no time. First, head to the Formstack website and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. It's your hub for all your forms. Look for the Create Form button, usually front and center. Click it to start fresh. Next, decide how you want to build your form. Formstack offers templates for common needs like contact forms or event signups, or you can start from scratch for full customization. If you're new, I recommend trying a template to save time. Now, the fun part: adding fields. Drag and drop elements like text boxes for names, checkboxes for options, or drop-down menus for selections. Make sure to label everything clearly so users know what to enter. Don't forget to customize. Go to the Design tab to change colors, fonts, and add your logo for a professional look. This step makes your form stand out and match your brand. Once you're happy, hit the Preview button to test it out. Check for any errors, like missing fields or layout issues, and make adjustments as needed. Finally, publish your form and grab the shareable link. You can embed it on your website or send it via email. And there you have it, your very own form ready to go. Formstack might have some updates by 2025, but these basics should hold. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.